2 p.m. FOMC numbers coming out, and then 2:30 got a speech going on. So that's what you got going on today. Obviously, how we would usually trade FOMC is how we've been doing it. So just wait for numbers to come up. Well, not numbers to come up. Wait for 2 p.m. folders to drop, and then you should get a spike. The initial spike we're probably not gonna be in, but the aftermath of the spike. So anywhere from like 2:01 p.m. to 2:20, 2:30 will be in trades. And if you don't have like actual direction after the 2 p.m. candle, then likely 2:30 we have direction. Like you don't have any movement, because I've seen folders before where at FOMC you have no movement. So if you have no movement at 2 p.m. then 3 p.m. or sorry 2:30, as we have the speech going on, that should sort out the direction, and we should hop on that, or we'll hop on that. And I think latest trades today would be like probably 3:30 at latest. Like we'll be probably off by 3:30 to be honest with you, but that's what I got for you guys today. Okay, with the way prices moving today, I'm gonna have to admit we did take some trades during, I think maybe an hour to an hour and a half after I hopped off stream today. We took it at this pop down to retest the lows off the 30-minute candle. Yeah, so I took that in a channel after stream, which is why I'm here now. But chat, I think you came back down to re-break the current day low here, and there's actually a high chance that you do continue further down for the day here, especially if numbers come out and gold pushes down here. Likely for news today, we're looking to probably look for positions coming down towards like 4.2, 4.3. I want to see if news could be able to break below 4.7. If you start to break below 4.7 here, which means that you start to do something like this, not below these lows here, but these lows to the left here, because here you can still come down, reject. I'll say right here, you break that low, we'll likely have a sell stop around there, and look for positions to come down towards 27.42. So I think this range you have here is going to be 47 pip range you got going on here, or no, I'm tripping, sorry, 44 pip range. 4 pip range to come down towards 43.318. You're looking for this because one, I think there was, I based this off of this day low here, this day level at 43 off of these candles here to the left. I just kind of found the medium average of all these wicks here, and I found that this is a pretty decent level. I wouldn't go as severe and put my level down here. I'd rather put it here. I mean, it's the same spot, nearly identical. What else is there? That's about it. Just looking for the range to come down there. That's if you break the lows. If you don't break the lows, say, and news does say, what news does say is it pushes gold up, then right now I have no ideas or plans yet to take buys, but I'm probably gonna see how numbers come out, and if there are buys, I'll let you guys know like when the candle starts to move starting at 2. I'll be like, okay, cool, looks like we're breaking these highs here. Or what I wait for is maybe a pullback. I do my analysis as that candle prints, right? But usually when news comes out, it makes a high and a low. The re-break of the high or the low is the direction it tends to print into. So let's say news comes out, say it pops up, taps up towards here, pulls back, it's your high, it does something like this. Next thing you know, it re-breaks this high here, then that'll be my buy stops to go up towards 5.9. But right now, that's like a totally different idea right here that I have a kid chat. So it's just like mainly sells I'm looking for. If you do actually break below 27.40, 47 today. If not, then we'll see how news comes out. All right, but before news, before FOMC, there'll be no positions there. The only thing I see here is 30-minute candle top wick, which is cool, but you have 25 minutes to news. Okay. Still waiting for price to tap 27.43. Yeah. Yeah. You are running into some traffic area though. This area right here, which is why you're ranging, right? If news has enough volume to push through the support, then it'll push through and it'll break below here, and that'll be our sells. If it doesn't and it just comes down towards here, taps it again, flips bullish, then we know where it's headed. But I think the 4-hour candle, yeah, the 4-hour candle opened up just now, or 4 minutes ago, came down for a bottom wick. We're starting to reflip bullish. So let's see if we can get anything this session, chat. We might actually get nothing this session. We might just be here for the vibes, but we'll see what the market presents itself, you know? We get a top wick first or what? Like this is interesting. We're not gonna gamble. We're gonna trade a probability, right? Different story. But if you get a pop up first and the re-break of these lows here, we can attempt some sells on the re-break. If you get a bottom wick first like this and then you flip bullish, I am probably gonna look for potential positions on the flip of the candle. So it really comes down to what forms first and how it forms, and a couple things to pay attention to. Pay attention to the structure that the candle prints on the opening. So the way it moves, right, is very important. If you want to help with that, go to like the minute chart. You'll see how things move with like wicks and sit. All right, 30 seconds, chat. Lost my full margin. I blew my 150K funded account. It's okay. You're here trading today. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new stream. I see you again. Creed FX. What's up? What's up? Yeah, chat. Wish you guys luck. Okay. Be very careful when you're taking any positions here during FOMC. It's gonna be very volatile, as you may know. Jerome Powell likes to fuck you over, but let's take a look. Man said boom. Yeah. Boom. 8 pips. Diego. Yo, come on. Okay, there we go. Some volume. You made a low. You made a low. You made a low. You tap into the zone here. You tap into the zone here. 47. Or whoa, I'm looking at my MT5 chat. Look at your MT5. Don't look at trading view here. This looks very choppy on trading view. Super delayed. Super delayed. Okay, the initial move of sells. Is this it though? How much are stops here? All right, chat. I'm gonna wait for this candle to pull back here. It broke the lows that I wanted to break. It broke this low here, right? But there is something here. I want to see if we can retrace here and grab the retracement down. Look at your MT5 chart here. Your trading view chart is gonna be a little delayed. Hey, what's up on Zoom? What's up? Reaction. Price reacted. Nothing I can do right now. Price flex bullish. I'll be interested. I don't think I'm taking bias if it flips bullish on chat. Not yet, at least. If it flips bullish, I want to see structure forming up. Otherwise, you can still break the lows. Okay. Some structure. $46 is a minor support too, chat. You're looking to target towards like 42, 43 here, okay? But like, it's just like how we're gonna get in though is a question. How and where. Let's see, minute closure in 13 seconds here, chat. If you close bearish here, chat, in about 13 seconds here, we could get some positions down here. All right, chat. Round positions here. Trying to sell there. Got in a sell here. Where's my thing? Stop loss is gonna be. I'm gonna put the stop loss up here, chat. Up here. So it's gonna be these highs here with my stops. TP is down here at 43. Where's my exact entry? Exact entry was 27.47 here. 27.47 chat. And let's see if we get a second position here, but I'm putting my stops. Let me just confirm stops here again. What price point is this? 27. 27. No, it's not there. $27.56 here. 27.56.40. TP is down here. 27.42.99. This will be a little lower. I'm a superhero. Okay. So you're re-breaking the lows here, which is a good thing. Can you actually break below 27.46? I think once you break these lows here, chat, we're looking to move stocks to BE on the break of 27.46.221. That'll be BE for us, okay? My entry is 47.47. Looks like it's holding though. You came down, created a wick, came up, you pulled up. Now you're slowly coming back down again. I would say once you break this low, you should get a pretty decent pop here. Should see like 27.45, 388. This level right here. Yeah, moving stops to break even here. Entry is 27.47.47. Stop loss now is 27.47.45. All right, break even. Okay, cool. We got out there at break even. I was looking to move stocks to break even off the first initial pull, which was the idea, off the breakout lows. And yeah, I moved stocks to break even as it was coming up, but the idea was just that like once it rebroke the lows there, we're looking to move stocks to BE. So there's that trade. Obviously price, wow, price came up to tap the exact level here.
In support of our goals, today the Federal Open Market Committee decided to leave our policy interest rate unchanged and to continue to reduce our
4.50, right? You know what's crazy? I didn't even look at the rates. I just assumed it was gonna be the same. It was the same. Damn.
I'll have more to say about monitoring.
I should have checked, but you know what? Why is it tweaking?
GDP looks to have risen above 2%, bolstered by resilient consumer spending. Investment in equipment and intangibles appears to have slowed in the fourth quarter, but was strong for the year overall. Following weakness in the middle of last year, activity in the housing sector seems to have stabilized. In the labor market, conditions remain solid. Payroll job gains averaged 170,000 per month over the past 3 months. Following earlier increases, the unemployment rate has stabilized since the middle of last year, and at 4.1% in December remains low. Nominal wage growth has eased over the past year, and the jobs to workers gap has narrowed. Overall, a wide set of indicators suggest that conditions in the labor market are broadly in balance.
Whoa!
The labor market is not a source of significant inflationary pressures.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Inflation has eased significantly over the past 2 years, but remains somewhat elevated relative to our 2% longer run goal.
Whoa!
Estimates based on the Consumer Price Index and other data indicate that total PCE prices rose 2.6% over the 12 months ending in December, and that, excluding the volatile food and energy categories, Core PCE prices rose 2.8%.
I'll take a position for buys here.
Longer-term inflation expectations appear to remain
Got in a position for buys here.
as reflected in a broad.
As you broke back into these ranges here.
Households, businesses.
Entry was 27.51.3
from financial markets. Our monetary policy actions are guided by our dual mandate to promote maximum employment and stable prices for the American
Looking
people.
to target into 27.53.65.
Goals as being roughly in balance. And we
27.53.88 is the TP. Entry was 27.51.20.
Over the course of our 3 previous meetings, we lowered our policy rate by a full percentage point from its peak. That recalibration of our policy stance was appropriate in light of the progress on inflation and the rebalancing in the labor market.
Closing full my positions here. I am closing full here, chat.
And the economy
closing full my positions here.
We do not need to be in a hurry to adjust our policy
I close full.
At today's meeting, the committee decided to maintain the target range for the federal funds rate at 4.25% to 4.5%.
W trade.
We know that reducing policy restraint
I'ma take it.
too much could hinder progress on inflation.
Let's fucking go.
At the same time, reducing policy
we back, baby.
too slowly
we
or
back.
too little could unduly weaken economic activity and employment.
Thanks, Jerome.
In considering the extent of additional.
That actually, chat, that was actually pretty good. We, the way he was speaking was so tough, but we started to close back above these ranges here. So like the idea was just like, I was on the 5, right? I was looking at this. And remember what I said earlier about like whenever you re-break the highs or re-break the lows, you continue to drive in that direction. That doesn't always only apply to just the initial news candle. It also applies to just things in general, like the candle structure in general. So with the volume you have from the speech, once you started to close back above, not even close back, but once you started to push back above 2750, looking left, I was looking to fill into these ranges here. So then we took the positions based off of just close, like just as price continued to break the highs at 50 towards these areas. I personally wanted a better entry though. I was looking for entries above 27.49 at first, and then it spiked. But then once the minute candle closure, that was when we entered, and we got out at around like 27. What was it? Entry was 27 5120, and exit was 2752.92, and that was like the peak of price. If you didn't move stocks to break even, you would at least been BE. And now price is flipping bearish again. So yeah, chat, honestly, like things can get a little wild here, man. Things get a little rocky here.
Longer run inflation goal will be retained.
Things can get a little rocky here, man.
Focus of the review.
You guys hear it?
Nick Timmeros, The Wall Street Journal. Chair Powell, you and several of your colleagues said around the time of the last meeting that your policy stance was meaningfully restrictive.
Wow.
Given economic and financial market developments since then, how has your confidence changed in an assessment that says interest rates are meaningfully restrictive?
Chat. Taking a position here for buys.
My assessment really has changed. I mean,
taking a position here for buys.
We've gotten more strong data, but we've also seen
looking at targets. It's 5.4,
which could represent a tightening in financial conditions. I think if we look
stop loss below the 1 hour lows and looking to grab into 5.4 levels, so up here basically, up here to fill the range, because this is the second time you're breaking the highs. I would assume you just filled the entire range here. 4.5.
largely to maximum employment. So
I'll let you guys know when I move stocks to break even. I think break even is going to be 27.53.61 chat. Okay?
Less restrictive than it was before we began.
So break even is going to be like 53.76. TP is going to be 54.45 levels. Looking to grab that. Once you re-break the highs here, I'm pretty sure we'll be break even zone.
Some weakness in the labor market before we consider making adjustments.
If I could follow up, does the economy here warrant meaningfully restrictive interest rates, and would you judge interest rates?
All right, chat, closing. My full position's there. Down.
Another quarter point.
So I think our policy
all right, cool.
is very well calibrated.
Not the ideal close that I wanted, but I think you just retraced the last right when I close 5 pips. I'll take it though. I'm out. Close right there. If you don't want like latency, the channel gives you all the entries and exits to the T because it's connected to my account. But Oh shit. That is crazy. That is crazy. That is crazy. I think things starting getting a little more smooth now, chat, in terms of the questions and the direction that they're talking with the way they're speaking about stuff. You just remember you do have a resistance here at 5.4. I honestly think it's a lot weaker. It's a lot weaker than what it was, just because you've tried to attempt to re-break this high so many times already. This thing looks like it should blast straight through. As to targets, where next level is going to be 2758.154, which is going to be up here. As for my positions next, I have nothing planned right now. I'll let you guys know when I enter, but I wanted to take advantage of the push up towards this 5.4 level. After 5.4, you close above the ranges, but things get a little more tough. But yeah, chat, not bad of a day. Not bad of a day at all. Not bad of a day. If you get no more trades for a day, that's okay for me. I'll be okay with that. I'll be completely fine with that. Man, the stack made the one, maybe one. Nice. Signal.
Take away from all of this that we remain committed to achieving our 2%.
They have subscribers only mode on.